Hi there! Welcome to Bollywood 101 with me, Shaili, your dance mentor, dance friend, dance teacher, whatever you want to call me. I am here to help you start dancing for yourself, for your joy, for your fun, and learn Bollywood dance and some cool moves of Bollywood dance that you can actually use across a lot of different kinds of music as well. So let's get started. Today's song is a very popular Sharukh Khan song for all you Sharukh Khan fans. It's called Chaiyya Chaiyya and it is an amazing song. So if you ever hear this in any party, Bollywood, wedding or anywhere, it's fun to do this hook step. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what we're going to learn first and then go into breaking it down for you. Okay, let's go. This is the hook step. So yes, that's the step. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm also going to teach you the second part to the step, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why stop at only one hook step? I'm going to teach you 2 from the song. Okay, let's get started. So for the first part of the move is your leg. I'm using my left leg. My weight is on my right leg. And I'm going to take my leg up, down, up, down, up, down. And my stomach movement is in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay? That is the feet. Now for the hand, same leg, same hand. Okay? If I'm doing the left leg, I do the left hand and I punch the left hand down, down, down. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now try that with me. Leg goes 1, 2 and hand goes 1, 2. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome, you got it. Now, for the second part of the step is now I transfer my weight from my right leg to my left leg, so my right is free. I use the same hand, which was my left hand. And let's start with the hand and the chest first. So I do a chest contraction with my arm. So 1, 2. 1, 2, twice, 1, 2. So this is the upper body, and for the feet, the right foot, it goes up, down, up, down. Again, the crunch happens from the stomach, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do the entire move with the hand, chest and foot. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the entire movement is 1, 2 times. Transfer the weight. This is the key part, this transitioning of transferring the weight and then immediately doing 3 and 4. Let's do that. Do that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Now we're going to do it one more time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And we do this 4 times with the music. Let's try that with music. first hook step, which we will do 4 times. I'm going to be a little more courageous here and add one more hook step so that it's nice, you can do it for a longer period of time. So the next part is so we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4. We end with this. So now again with the right leg. So it's just like with the foot is just out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay, out, in. So it's just this one. Now the hand, right hand below, left hand up. It's a Indian folk dance move. So it's 1, 2. So your hand, whenever the foot goes from out, from one side to another side, your hand moves the same way with the leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we change the hand and the leg. Remember, the hand up is always the same as the leg that you're doing. So my right hand up, left below, and my right leg. Okay, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do it 4 times each side. Let's go, do it with me, try it with me. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Now let's do this entire thing without music. 4 sets of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. And then this, let's just do 2 times. Okay? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 7, and 8. Third time. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and change. 2, 3, 4. That's good. Keep trying, you'll get it. It's fun. Let's do it one last time to the music. Go! Again! Again! Last time! Again! Let's go again! 1. Change! Keep dancing, keep practicing, and let me know what other hook steps you want to know. Subscribe to our channel, Smells Like Bollywood Spirit here. And if you're on Instagram and Facebook, we're there as well. See you soon, and keep dancing, keep moving. Ciao.